USA Trains has been making U.S. refrigerator cars for quite some time, and they're available in a variety of different road names. These reefer cars are packaged securely like other USA Trains products. Inside the box you will find some ladders, handrails, and steps, as well as some USA knuckle couplers that can be exchanged for the installed hook and loop couplers. There are instructions that show you how to insert the brass rod through the brackets and install the brake platform. These steps are painted to match your refrigerator car, so make sure you put them in the right places. There are handrails as well as ladders, and of course there are instructions for how to install the USA Trains knuckle couplers instead of the hook and loop couplers. As with all of the other US Train products we reviewed, these paint schemes are accurate and well done, with information and very crisp printing. It is easy to install the ladders on the side of the unit. Make note that there are shorter ladders and longer ladders. You may want to use glue to keep these in permanently. And make sure you match the color of the step at the bottom. This is what it takes to put in all of the different pieces for your refrigerator car. After you do one or two, you get pretty good at it. One of the nice things about the USA Trains refrigerator cars is that they are available in a wide variety of authentic paint schemes. There are literally dozens and dozens for you to choose from. There are a lot of working features on these refrigerator cars. The doors actually open and close, and if we take a good look, you'll see that the mechanisms are prototypically correct and actually work to keep the door open, closed, and locked. One of the nice features is the operating ice hatches. All 4 ice hatches can be in an open or closed position. These refrigerator cars will look great on your railroad. They are about 17 inches in length, 6 inches high, and are about 4.5 inches wide. And the details don't stop with the handrails or the opening ice hatches or working doors, but the USA Trains refrigerator cars have a highly detailed underbody as well. So they look great inside. Let's take a look and see what they look like outside on your garden railroad.